Hey, I'm Paul from Swartworks, and this is the third gear backwards burnout. So we're here today testing out the rear winch mount on the new Raptor. So we're using the Warren Xeon Platinum winch, which has a remote control for the not only winch in and out, but also for the free spool disengagement. So you just look at that, pull it. And then once the hook's on here too, you can flip your license plate right down. And then back here I have some more Factor 55 goodies. Got the Ultra hook, the soft shackle, and then the tree saver. So I can just tension this up a little bit. And we'll set that right on there. Dude, what are you doing? Got a little Pam here today. I prefer the rich butter taste over the original. We're gonna have a little fun. Of course, you want to do this to keep the rubber off your truck for the next, I don't know, however long you have it. Don't spray the tire, because that's cheap. Make sure you get back here real good. Get the exhaust, just for the smell. Hey, I'm Paul from Swartworks, and this is the third gear backwards burnout. That is how you properly tension the winch line, my friends.